Well, hello there, and welcome to another video here on NoelsDay. I'm recording this video in the city or outside of the city called Maras, and just behind me you can see the Inca place called Moray, and this thing here was an experiment of the Incas, and they tried to see whether or not planting crops like this in a circle is making the crops grow faster, or if there are better results than for conventional farming. And let me tell you, the way here was pretty intense. So last night it was raining a lot, and well, it's the beginning of the raining season, so obviously it was raining, and the roads this morning were very, what should I say, maybe dirty. It was like a dirt road basically, and yeah, it was not easy to get here. Luckily, the friend that I'm here with is a pretty good driver, and yeah, he managed to get us here safely. So yeah, this is what this Moray looks like. Pretty crazy to think how back then they were able to build this in such a circle form, and pretty impressive, I would say. So right there, over there, is the entrance. You get there by car. There's a little parking lot, and yeah, this was this looks like. It's pretty impressive, I would say. But basically, we're not close to the city. It's like maybe 2 kilometers or so outside of the city, or even a bit more. And if you come here when it was raining before, make sure to have proper grip on your car, because like the grip of our car was pretty bad, and now the tires look like this. It's probably equivalent. Like our car looked the same. Here I'm gonna show a picture of our tires. Pretty awful, and there were a couple of times where we were close to bumping off the road, and it felt like driving a rally, which is yeah, just stay safe. If you come here and it was raining before, I think if there was no rain, it would be pretty fine. I have to admit that the nature here is pretty beautiful. If you look over there, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. Just behind this construction and behind that little hill, you can see the mountains. Not sure how good the quality is, but it looks pretty impressive. Back like yesterday, those mountains were not covered by snow yet, but today they are, and it's pretty crazy to think that right now it's summer here, but because in winter there is not enough like rain or snow, like not enough water in the sky because it's so dry. There isn't snow, and now it's summer and now there is snow. Wow. Also pretty impressive. On the other side, over there to the left, you can see another kind of circle, one that looks a bit more broken down. Pretty impressive. And over here as well. And we got here, I would say, rather early. I don't see any other tourists here, and it's 7:45 a.m. And yeah, pretty early, I would say. And not sure if there are gonna be many tourists here on this day, because especially it was raining last night and the roads are like in a tragic condition. And just here on top of the hill there is another hole, a rather little one. And you can see here that we're 3,534 meters above sea level. So walking up here gets pretty exhausting, as you can't catch proper air, proper breath. Right now we're on the lower part of this site here in Moray, and let me show you the stairs here. So you can see the different levels of this construction here, of the farms, and down here you can see some parts are maybe a meter and a half, and other parts are maybe 2 meters deep. But in many different spots I ask myself, like, how do people get up and down? And you might ask yourself the same thing, and the answer to that is they built bigger rocks into the wall as stairs. And I'm going to show you that in a second. You can see, I'm going to zoom in a little bit. You can see over there the bigger rocks inside the wall that they managed to get in and out. You can see them all over the place. Like over there you can see many stairs. So basically that's how they went up and down. And maybe here, where the distance wasn't too big, they just went, like, jumped up or something like this. Alright, we're about to leave the site here. Obviously it's not as amazing as Machu Picchu, for example, but I would highly advise you to come here. Early mornings is probably the best, and it's currently, what time is it? 8:30 in the morning, almost 8:30, and we're the only two people right now. And it's pretty impressive still. And right now you can up there see the clouds, which are so close. I don't remember when I've been this close to clouds the last time. Now we're going back up. And because we're 3,500 meters above sea level, breathing here is very difficult. And I caught a little cold, which doesn't make it better. But, even walking up a few stairs is gonna make you lose your breath because the air is so thin, and you can hear me breathe. It's very exhausting, and if you're not used to it like me. So I'm not like unfit or something, but just walking up here is very exhausting. That was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like, and I hope to see you in another video. Bye bye.